Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to start an e-commerce store for free and build it into a massive, massive brand. And before I jump into it, I want to tell you about my story. I was overwhelmed with bills, with debt, and really with the constant stress of trying to build something great on my own. And then I opened a free Sellvia store. You're going to see this in action in this video. It's totally done for you online business that actually became my turning point. It helped me start earning real money online, up to $5,000 a month with zero experience. And we know that e-commerce is by far the best business model online, right? It doesn't even matter what we're selling. We can reach customers so easily now, and it's very, very, very powerful, and you get great control over your lifestyle and, your own business asset when you build e-commerce. It's a really true long-term asset. And a really popular strategy is to partner with Sellvia to instantly start a business for free and build a store that generates income and can later be sold as an asset, right? It's that kind of lifestyle piece that gives you that freedom, flexibility, and financials that you want. And that's why everyone really wants to jump into e-commerce. I'm going to show you the right way to do it when you use Sellvia. Because if you don't use Sellvia, you're going to definitely run into some pain points like upfront costs, technical requirements, hours and hours of product research, product sourcing, drop shipping, print on demand, shipping, fulfillment. There are all these different facets of a successful e-commerce brand. The really cool thing is that Sellvia solves all of this for you. Upfront costs taken care of, technical requirements taken care of, product research, well, already amazing, hot selling products. You don't need to do sourcing. It's already all done for you, including the shipping, the fulfillment, everything, the e-commerce platform. It is all handled, and it's all handled at the highest level. And that's why I highly recommend Sellvia. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you just how powerful this is and how with Sellvia, you're going to be able to build your own e-commerce brand that you can turn into a massive asset, sell later on, generate cash flow. It's really, really powerful. And here you see the link to Sellvia. You're going to be able to build your own online store literally today for free. You even get a free Amazon business connected to your store as well as a free bonus when you sign up. Really, really powerful, 100% hassle-free start. It's going to be totally done for you, and you don't need any experience either. Your store runs on autopilot, giving you that financial independence and the time independence that you're looking for. You're getting a free store and an Amazon business totally for free. All you need to do, click the link directly below this video. There's over 1.5 million sellers on Sellvia, making tons of money, achieving financial independence. You see the massive 4.6, 4.7 out of 5-star reviews on Site Jabber, G2. You see Facebook, 96% 5-star review. It's just really one of the best options out there. Simple process. When you get Sellvia Pro, you'll just fill out some information inside the survey. The team creates a store for you. It's fully turnkey. You don't need to hire a developer. You don't need to learn, HTML or JavaScript or anything like that. You're going to get your own store. You'll even get a free training session with the Sellvia team to make sure that you fully understand how to use it and operate it, and then you'll be able to activate your store and go live. Literally getting your store for free trial on the Sellvia Pro subscription as well. So you're able to start your e-commerce business. There's no better way to start your e-commerce business because you could launch super quickly. You can create a brand. You could manage everything easily inside of the Sellvia dashboard. And of course, you could accept all of the major payments and PayPal directly on your store. So many amazing examples of really successful e-commerce businesses powered with Sellvia. Different niches out here, car accessories doing over $500,000 a month, baby niche, classic niche, gardening niche. Easy to sell all of these different high-class products. Products that are in demand right now, that are trending, that are hot sellers, fashion niche, gadget niche, pet products, kids and baby, sports, crafted, auto, health, and more. It's all built into one platform. So all you need to do is press start for free today. You'll literally be able to get started in less than 60 seconds. I'll walk you through it. Simply enter in your email and your number, connect your payment to start your free trial, 100% no risk trial for 14 days. You're literally going to be able to even see sales in that time. It's super easy. It's a turnkey e-commerce store. It's $39 a month after your trial. But again, you get 14 days access to all the features, and your store is going to be live. All you need to do, enter in the details, click Get My Free Store. You're looking at my Sellvia store. This is a demo dashboard over here, and you can literally take a look at the store over here. I'm going to show you everything inside the back end and the dashboard. This is a little tech store, and all these products are sourced and stored right inside of here, inside of our dashboard. And I'm going to go through all the different sections, but you want to see, of course, your store performance is what you're going to be looking at every single day. Your sales, deposit amount, available products, total business value as well. You'll love to see this grow over time. These are your quick stats that you see in your home screen on the dashboard. And there's lots of other things that you can do in terms of starting promotions and upgrading to different domains and getting exclusive store designs. But I'll really show you where you want to focus. You're going to come over here. You'll be able to manage all of your orders right inside here. So you see order information over here. And most importantly, you see that it's processed and ready to go. You see your profit numbers on a per order basis. You can click in and see the order information as well. You'll see all this update automatically as orders come in. We have our marketplace as well, which is pretty new. You want to take a look at this and see different stores and businesses for sale. Really cool to also understand what makes a very valuable store. You've got your reports over here. These are going to be your analytics, where you're going through and taking a look at things like your total sales. You can see it over time. You can see your unique visitors and your average order value. You could even see conversion rate right on this page. You could change date ranges as well. Let's say you just wanted the last 28 days. You could update the report and have it show that way. We have different services over here that Sellvia can help you with, like search engine optimization and social media marketing. Tons of actionable insights over here and guides for you to be able to take your store to the next level. Come over here and take a look at products. Of course, tons of products that are recommended, product packs, and you could literally get 1,500 hot-selling Amazon products ready to go for Black Friday. You just simply click Add Product. You see the different information for each one of these packages. So it's really done for you products, and same thing goes for digital products as well. You could add digital products immediately into your store. You see different niches represented over here, and you could add these products. Super high profit margin on digital products and no fulfillment, so it's really, really powerful. You could have both digital and physical products. You see some popular brands that you could add in here. You see top brands, and you got printed products over here, and on the Your Products page, you'll see the summary of all your products and the product prices and all the different information here. Different marketing aspects as well. So you got the done for you social media available. You got done for you premium blog posts. You've got the Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok ads done for you. And this is obviously the most important advertising platform for e-commerce. Really all three of these, Facebook, IG, and TikTok. You got a TikTok shop. You got an Instagram store. You got email marketing. So all the different marketing aspects done for you in here. All you need to do is just simply pick and choose which ones you want. They even have SEO backlinks in here to help grow your organic traffic. You want to get promo videos done, you can do that over here and really have tons of great ways to convert with video, because we know that video works better than photo pretty much 100% of the time. So you've got everything built in, literally everything that you need to immediately start making money with whatever type of products you want. You saw the huge variety of products. You have all the marketing that you need, all the different solutions and services ready to go. That's why we use Sellvia. This is literally the first step from $0 to $1,000 a day. It's your journey with Sellvia, and you can grow your store and even sell it in the future. This is the best way to jump right into e-commerce. Literally couldn't be any easier. So all you need to do is start for free, create your store today, go from $0 to $1,000 a day and grow your store and turn it into a true asset. That's why you want to use Sellvia. You see my link directly below this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them. But otherwise, I hope this helps you build that massive e-com store, and I'll talk to you real soon.